known for his ingenious legal strategy, was to end school segregation by unmasking the belief that facilities for blacks were separate but equal. For the lie it was. Those who stand for nothing fall for everything. Charles Hamilton Houston. Charles Hamilton Houston, born September 3rd, 1895, Washington, D.C., died April 22nd, 1950, was an American lawyer and educator. Houston graduated as one of the 6 valedictorians from Amherst College in 1915, instrumental in laying the legal groundwork that led to U.S. Supreme Court ruling outlawing racial segregation in public schools. After teaching 2 years at Howard University in Washington, D.C., he enlisted in the U.S. Army and was commissioned a second lieutenant in the field artillery and served in France and Germany during World War I. Following his discharge in 1919, he was enrolled at Harvard Law School, 1922, where he was the first black editor of Harvard Law Review. He went on to study civil law at the University of Madrid. After being committed to the bar in the United States in 1924, he practiced law with his father until 1950. Houston made a significant contribution in the battle against racial discrimination, challenging many of the Jim Crow laws in 1935 through 40. He served as special counsel for the National Association of Advancement of Colored People, arguing several important civil rights cases before the U.S. Supreme Court in the state. Gaines versus Canada in 1938, Houston argued that it was unconstitutional for Missouri to exclude blacks from the state university law school when under the separate but equal provision, not comparable facility for blacks existed within the state. Houston's contribution to abolishing legal discrimination went largely unrecognized until after his death. He was awarded the NAACP Spingarn Medal in 1950. Several public schools bear his name, as does the main building of Howard Law School, which was dedicated in 1958. A law professorship and several student organizations also honor Houston. Charles Hamilton Houston once said, "The hate and the scorn showered on us Negro officers by the fellow Americans convinced me that there was no sense in my dying for a world ruled by them. I made up my mind that if I got through this war, I would study law and use my time fighting for men who could not strike back." Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on our Black History series.